Hi, welcome to EZ Academy. In this video, let us explore various options where you can develop web apps. It can be a simple landing page to a complete full-fledged website. Uh, in today's video, we will compare a few platforms. Now, if you see, this website is a full, complete multi-page website where it has multiple pages, etc. You can see this. So it has a different pages, calculators page where you can calculate your investments, etc. Various type of investments and all. So this is a complete website you can see here. Now for this website, if you look at, so these are score you can get. So for any website when you building, the page speed, how fast it is loading, it matters a lot. Now, if you see, this is scoring 90 plus for the desktop version. For the mobile, yes, it is touching 93, but there are some enhancements can be done to make it more compatible for the mobile as well. But whilst building the application itself, it is done in the responsive way. So we need not to build the website in two different ways. The applications or the IDs will take care of that completely. Now, this is a full-fledged website, whereas these websites are like simple coming soon or landing pages uh, where you can build in very easy manner and host it uh, online within a minute. So how this works is you might have to have a hosting plan. If not, there are options available. Maybe in the other videos we'll cover that as well. So starting from your creating the landing page to the launch of that page, we will cover it. However, you might need to have a simple domain for that. Your own domain, if you have it, you can use it. So these are the pages you can launch. So if you have a SMTP configured, you can even get the notification sent to the users. Uh, Now, in this video, let us compare these with three different tools, how we can actually build. So uh, for our video, what we'll do, we'll use simple prompt, not the detailed prompt. Maybe in the next video, we'll try to cover advanced prompt as well, enhanced prompt, I believe. Um, but in this video, let us look at a single line or a short prompt, what kind of output we can get. You might be heard of Lovable.dev, which is recently they launched a 2.0 and it is doing better job than compared to earlier. Then you know the Bolt in the previous videos we covered, and also we'll cover Replit. Uh, so in this video, we are using the free version of these platforms. So any of you can try this without any challenges. Of course, it will have a limitation per day. So let us start exploring this. So I have this simple prompt where I'm asking the system to create a toy store for the age under 10. I'm just adding a context as well for users in India. So this is a single prompt we are using. Now let us see, start building. Um, Volt I'm asking. Then finally, I'm asking Lovable as well. Now if you see, each platform has a different approach, whereas Bolt will do a complete initial app within couple of minutes. Uh, Now this is a agent version which is working for Replit. It gives you an options, um, add user accounts, database, etc. But for now, let us not add product reviews and ratings. Yeah, payment gateway. All this it is asking for us. We don't need for the demo purpose. Let us proceed without that. Now you can see Bolt already had this folder structure. Everything is created here. If you see this, the title it took, Chota Bacha Khilona Ghar. Why? Because we mentioned the India as a keyword there, so it took it. Here it took kids toy. Um, Let us see what. I'm not sure what title this is going to give, but let us see. So since we are using a free plan, you might be seeing here we have 1,50,000 tokens per day you will be assigned. Um, Per month it is 1 million tokens, but per day you cannot use more than 1.5 lakh tokens in Bolt specifically. In Lovable, it is one time. Sorry, I mean to say, in Lovable you can use up to five charts. Five times you can actually interact with the Lovable platform to get that application done. If it is crossing that, we might have to upgrade or we have to wait for the next day. Same way with Replit as well. So in the free plan, you get a limitation. Okay, you can see Replit already completed the job. Let us see the. Okay, here you can see Bolt is still developing the things. Lovable is still in progress, whereas Replit completed the job for you. Wow, Toy Joy, the name here. Here it's Kids Toy India they mentioned, but here if you see Toy Joy, and it looks very attractive colors. It's considered even the placeholder images, relevant placeholder images it picked up. It is still actually in progress. If you see here, it is still adding certain elements here. So let us wait for a couple of more minutes. Let us see. Bolt still not completed. Here you cannot see any preview here, but if you see the this code viewer, you can see the page is similar to Bolt. It is also creating that files. Let us see if Replit has. Oh, it is still in the progress. However, you can see up to the footer, you can see the pages. With one single prompt, we are actually up to the complete home page is ready. Okay, here we got a error, so we can ask them to fix it. Now, what is the token consumption? If you see here, okay, we are almost touching the 1.5 lakh tokens, I believe. It is taking care of the complete application plan and progress, if you see here. Normally, Bolt does faster job. However, today, I mean, Replit is able to complete the page and it's still working to make it complete application. You can see here. Whereas Bolt started throwing errors and now tokens, if you look at, okay, we have around 53,000 tokens we consumed. Let us see. Yes, so it is not fix the errors. Copying this, following errors, please fix. Yes. So if you see here, Bolt also able to complete the job. Yes. Now if you see, you actually left with the 17,000 tokens only uh, because we tried two, three prompts. So it consumed almost your per day limit. 132,000 tokens is already consumed. So you have hardly 17,000 tokens left for today. So in the free plan, you get 1 million tokens, whereas per day you cannot go beyond 1.5 lakh tokens. You have to wait up to until next day to consume the another 1,50,000 until you are on a free plan. But if you see here, this is taken care of complete thing. Now you have multiple options. You can export this code if you want to local uh, uh, IDE, or you can integrate with the GitHub and all. So if you look at the costing paid plans for these, Replit comes to around $25 a month, whereas Bolt comes to $20 a month. But in case of Replit, you are able to get the application hosted as well. In the Bolt also it supports. Bolt they have partnered with the um, Netlify, whereas Replit, you can host it into the Replit platform itself. Now, this agent is an advanced version. Now, the agent will be able to communicate with you what is happening, how it is actually building the code, all that stuff. Um, so it is kind of interactive. You can keep communicating. It will tell you what it is going to do it for you in a stepwise manner. Also, you can see the folder structure here. So they maintain dot replit file here where all the configuration files get stored depending on your application or technical stack. Um, Okay, now Lovable is still not able to deliver in this kind of preview here. So I think here Replit scores better. It is taking care of the each and every page. Now it is working on the checkout page. You can see here the progress. So in the next video, maybe we will cover how we can deploy this in a um, to the Replit servers and all. Now, if you see here, if you go to usage, you can see here. Um, so agent checkpoints, they call it, which you get 5 per month. Assistant, you get 10 per month in the free plan, of course. So in the apps, you get 3 apps in the free plan. And of course, your data out, outbound data. For that, you get a limit of 10 GB or 10 GB, I believe, but here it's not mentioned here. Right. So this is a free plan usage. Now, if you have a paid plan, of course, this is going to be 100 checkpoints per month for the agent. So it will maintain all those versioning and all. So in the free plan, since we're getting the 5 agent checkpoints, you will be able to see the usage as well as here. So until now we given a one single prompt to the Replit, and it is done a quite good job. And you can see here it is created a detailed outline for you to understand. Created data models of products, categories, age groups, cart items, API routes, responsive UI components. It is created. You can actually see here. You have an option to mobile device compatibility. Also, you can check it from here. So like this, you'll be able to see the responsive design and take a call. Now, it is given a detailed outline here with one agent checkpoint created. You can, even if you want to, you can actually restore back to the previous versions here. This is like a gate. Now here, this code, you can actually export it to your own GitHub account if you integrate. It has like multiple options here. You can go here. It has a assistant, how it works in the other platforms, whereas the agent is what improvised or enhanced version which does this job. And if you have your existing project, and if you're connecting your GitHub account to clone to the Replit platform, there you don't have option to use agent. You have to start using assistant only. This also works with the Cloud 3.5 Sonnet, um, but you will not have a agent option to work on your existing source code. That is the one point you have to understand. But if you're using a creating a new project from Replit, this works better. Now you can see here. So in the next upcoming videos, maybe we'll have a detailed prompt defined for these tools to work on, and there we can see the preview. Maybe Lovable, it is not consumed only. If you see here, the credits, it's supposed to give uh, per day 5 credits it gives us. Let us see if we can redo the prompt. Yes. I'm not sure earlier how it missed it. It didn't consider the taken the request. However, it's created the title as well. So maybe there is some kind of a bug. Um, Even though Replit done a almost a complete app interface it's created, Lovable does a job uh, where the UI part you will be able to like it. It considers all the aspects, what kind of a user uh, we are looking at. Of course, if you have a better prompting with a breakdown for each feature and functionality, these tools will do a lot more better. Okay, now you could see here, it is done a wonderful job. Even this very subtle animation effect it added here. It maintained categories, new arrivals, age groups. Yes. So with a single prompt, we are able to get the this output here. So we used only one credit from here as well as here one agent response in the free plan. We are able to build application up to here, right? So try to explore these options and let us know which one you might prefer and what is the next part. If you want to, maybe we can start deploying this application into a server. Here in the free plan, you will not have the option to host it in your custom domain. That is the one limitation you might face here. So for that also, we'll get you options to explore it in the free plans, so like other platforms we can use. Yes. Thank you.